What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my walk-in closet tour. I don't believe I am actually saying it out loud. This has been a dream of mine for as long as I can remember, and I'm so happy with the way this room has come together. If you haven't watched my previous vlog, you might not know why I transformed my bedroom into my walk-in closet. To summarize everything, एक जो room था मेरे studio में, that was our warehouse for Simba Lifestyle and Skion. We've moved to a new fresh office warehouse. So now I'm using that as my bedroom and this is empty. So I decided to convert this into a walk-in closet because this room is too hot to sleep in. So that's basically how I have a walk-in closet now. And I'm just so excited for you guys to see this. I am in love with this room. This is my favorite room in this studio. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Let's get started. So this is what the right hand side of the door looks like. So here we've added these chest of drawers that we got from IKEA. They're called the Malm drawers. These are the 6 wala set and I'm so glad that I got these because I have so much stuff that I need to store and everything gets accommodated in here. Should I open a few and show them what's in here? Come closer, let's do it. So in this drawer, I just have my everyday makeup. I know it looks really messy, but I use this every single day. So it's a little bit messy and a little bit full also. Then here I just have all of my electronics like my cameras, my chargers, batteries, all of that is here. PJ's drawer thoda sa khali lag raha hai because I haven't done my laundry, so everything's in the wash right now. Then here I have all of my towels, face napkins, all of that. Again, it's a little bit empty because need to do my laundry. So this has all of my Indian clothes. I really enjoy wearing Indian clothes for like a day-to-day, so I've dedicated an entire drawer to Indian clothes. So these 2 drawers have my undergarments. This has all of my bras, this has all of my panties, so I'm not gonna open it for you guys. Then this has all of my basics. So we have my white basics, black basics, grey, camo, just like my everyday t-shirts. So this drawer is very messy, so I'm not gonna open it. This just has my laptops and my diaries that I use every single day. Some more loungewear, just my PJs that are not printed, like these aren't sets, these are individual, so I've kept them here. I have too many PJs, I know. This has all of my bottom wear, so skirts, shorts, pants. This is a very boring basic drawer. I'm adulting. I have lots of chaddars and odhne ka saman, like if someone comes over. Coming back to the top of the drawer, so I did not want to clutter it, like add too many things. So I've tried to keep it to the minimum. So here I have my skincare fridge. So here I just keep the things that I use every single day. So like my moisturizer, my eye cream, just like my daily stuff. And then I have my sheet mask. I love keeping my sheet mask in here because every time I use them, it's just so nice and refreshing. Then here I have just some of my perfumes. These are just some of my perfumes that are here. Most of them are at my parents' place. So these are just the ones that I use every single day. And then here I have my toothbrush ka charger, my electronic toothbrush ka charger. And then here I just have a frame that says do what makes you happy. And the reason why it's here is because there's a switchboard at the back. I hate switchboards. So yeah, और ये side पे I just have a corkboard, I think that's what you call it, and then it says work hard so you can shop harder. Cute. I have a Bath and Body Works candle which is in the scent Evergreen. It just goes with the color and the vibe of the room, which is why it's here. And then we have some flowers which someone gifted me. I'm just kidding. I bought them myself. For myself, but yeah, these usually aren't here, obviously. I just have them, so I've kept them here on display. So ये दोनों drawers के पीछे actually एक window है, but I never really end up opening the window, so I'm okay with like covering the window. But I do have some roughly curtains at the back which I got from Amazon. I will link it down below. I promise I'll link everything that I've mentioned. I'll try to at least link everything that I've mentioned in the video. Quickly interrupting to let you guys know that we have a Valentine's Day offer running on Simba Lifestyle. So if you buy 3 hoodies, you'll get rupees 300 off. And if you were to buy 2 hoodies, you'll get 200 rupees off. So this way you can twin with your BFFs. I think it's such a good deal. Of course, I'll make sure to leave a link in the description box below. Other than this, also you can buy the 5-year journal at rupees 799, including shipping. And lastly, the bodycon dress is for again 100 rupees off. So make the most of this. So moving on to my favorite part of the walk-in, I think it has to be the shoe, or rather the heel display. So as you can see, I have all of my heel, or most of my heels on display. I've kept all the really vibrant and pretty ones out here, and then the rest are in storage. My heels are actually from Shein and now Ajio. Like these ones are my favorite. I did mention them in a favorites video. फिर उसके अलावा ये वाले भी मेरे काफी फेवरेट है, ट्रांसपेरेंट वाली, ये Shein से, but you can get them from Ajio also. And then these are also one of my favorites. These I got from Hill Road years ago and they still work really well. ऊपर मैंने थोड़े basic colors रखे हैं, जैसे black, white, silver and then black again. We have the neons here. Then we have snake print. All of these are snake print. And then here I just have my current favorites. Like I really like these 4. So I've kept them right in front of me. And then here honestly it's just miscellaneous. The ones that didn't fit in the upar wale category यहाँ पे रख दिए. And in the last shelf I have my knee-high boots with 2 of my bags. I actually have 2 knee-high boots coming. I don't know when, I think the next few days. So that's what's gonna be here on either sides of the black shoe. I did contemplate postponing this video only for knee-high boots, but here we are filming the video without the knee-high boots. But here I have my accessorized ka bag, which is one of my favorite bags. And then this again is another bag that I use quite a lot. So I've kept them here so that I can easily grab them. Okay, next to the shoe display, we have all of my sweaters and like winter wear. Again, not all of them. Most of them are actually mom dad ke ghar pe. I just have all the pretty colorful ones here. So here in the first row we have the sweaters. And then piche I have like the heavy duty coats, as you can see, which I don't know when I'm going to use. Most of these clothes I've never worn. Very shameful. But this rack, by the way, is from Amazon. It's such a good heavy duty rack. Totally, I would give it a thumbs up. If you're looking for a nice rack, check this one out. And also these hangers, these wooden hangers are also from Amazon, really good quality. Next to the clothing rack we have my bag display almost. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, these racks are again from IKEA. They're called the Billy bookshelves, I think. And then here I just have all of my shoulder bags, like my really cute shoulder bags. And there are again quite a few that are still coming in, so I'm gonna fill the whole thing up, like make it really colorful and really nice. So you might have noticed that I have these bins all over, upar especially Billy ke, because wahan pe I store all of my giveaway ka saman, so I don't really need it that often, so I've tucked it upar. And then here I'm just keeping things that I need. So this is one of the videos. Here I have all the Colaba Causeway ka saman. That video is also coming, I think next या next to next video वही होगा. These bins again are from Amazon. ये जो ऊपर दोनों bins है उसमें भी giveaway का सामान है. So this rack is still intact from the bedroom. I don't really use it to hang anything. I just think it looks good, so it stays. Okay. So now this is the center area of the walk-in closet. It's right opposite the door. And if you remember, if you've seen my bedroom tour, यहाँ पे floor bed हुआ करता था. And I've kept the same rug. The jute rug is still here. And the whole idea behind this specific space was for me to make kind of like a vanity where I can sit down and do my makeup. I usually don't really sit on like a chair or a sofa to do my makeup. I like to sit down on the floor and do it. So this is what I'm using as a table. This is a trunk and इसके अंदर storage भी है. So I keep those same bins and then I keep all of my products or things that I need for my videos in here. And of course this doubles up as a table. So here I have my vanity mirror, which I'll show you in just a second. And then I just have like random knickknacks, which are just decor, no purpose behind it. And then ये side पे we have another, this actually is like a coat hanger. It's supposed to be like a coat hanger, but I use it for my bags. And then I also have some beanies. The bags that weren't cute enough to go on that rack, we've hung here. And then here I have my lamp, which again was a part of my previous bedroom. So this is what the lamp looks like. I got it from Amazon. Such a good buy. Really like this. Okay, so on the right side of the table I just have this plate tray that I got from IKEA. Then we have another thing from IKEA, and then we have this vase which has basically nothing. And then this was the mirror that I was talking to you guys about. It is battery operated, so that's how it works. And then यहाँ से color भी change हो रहा है. This is like a warm yellow. I don't think you can really see on camera. And then this is like a proper white. उसके अलावा यहाँ पर I have my phone stand, so I can keep my phone here when I'm doing my makeup. I can watch something. It's very convenient. And then we have another random knick-knack thing. And on the left side of the lamp, we have some more clothes, some more racks, and a mirror as well. So this also is a very pretty corner. I have some more racks, which you might have seen. I've owned these for a while. Now, they are good if you're going to be hanging like tops or something that's light. I made the mistake of hanging my heavy duty coats on here. And as you can see, थोड़ा सा bend हो गया है और यहाँ से भी टेढ़ा हो गया है. ऐसा. Yeah. थोड़ा सा I've like screwed it up. So if you're going to be buying this, I'll leave a link, but if you're going to be buying this, maybe don't hang very heavy clothes. And this mirror you might have seen in my living room haul, tour. This is from Bandra. I got it from a local guy. I think this one was for 11,000. Am I right? 10, 11,000. So pretty expensive, but I'll use it. I'm not going to throw it anytime soon. Then here we have another wooden rack. ये wooden rack पे by the way मेरे सारे dresses हैं, सारे नहीं, जितने यहाँ पर है उतने dresses मैंने यहाँ पे रखे हैं. Oh by the way, यहाँ पे मेरे सारे tops हैं. So tops as in fancy tops that I need to wear for videos. So I have them here. I do need to go and get all like the really fancy ones from my mom and dad's place, because it just makes sense that they stay here, because these I wouldn't really wear outside, more so just for like pictures and videos. So yeah, that's that. So on top of this clothing rack, there's like a small slot, so I thought I would keep some of my crystals here. We have a rose quartz, we have an amethyst, and then I don't know iska naam, but I just thought it would look pretty. And then moving on to this Alex 9 drawer. So this just has all of my skincare, my makeup. I do need to order 2 or 3 more of these, but they're always out of stock. I'm not kidding when I say I check every single day IKEA ka website, and it's been at least half a month since I've been trying to get these. So I was like waiting कि closet tour पूरा complete होगा, सब आ जाएगा, उसके बाद करेंगे, but I guess not. I just decided to film it anyways. I'm not gonna show you all the drawers because I do want to do like a vanity tour, but यहाँ पे I just have all of my everyday products, like things that I use every day and I need like immediately. फिर यहाँ पे है मेरी jewelry in these Amazon organizers. Then इसमें I just have all of my hair stuff. So we have scrunchies, rubber band, bobby pin, more rubber band, clips. I think that's all I'm going to show you. So right next to the Alex 9 drawer, I also have my laundry basket. This is from IKEA again, but you can buy this from Amazon. I should have probably done my laundry before filming this video, but ठीक है, पूरा full है मेरा laundry bag. And finally, this is the last wall of the walk-in closet. Just show them the door. वहाँ पे door है. And then यहाँ पे ये wall है. So यहाँ पे I still have the cupboard. ये पहले भी था. तो इसके अंदर I just have all of my storage, like things that I need for like filming and just storage. Honestly, that's all that there is in here. And then ऊपर 2 baskets है जिसमें और giveaway का सामान है. And then this is a really cute nook. I actually really like it. It's very cute, very bohemian. I've again kept the hats ऊपर as they were. And then this I got from Amazon. This is supposed to be like a plant holder, but it's such bad quality. Will not recommend. नीचे से पूरा टूटा हुआ है. But I'm really bad at like returning things. I don't like returning things, so I just kept it here. Then we have another table from Amazon, and then we have these fake lights. These are LED lights from IKEA. I love these. I have so many of these, and then it's just such a vibe and a mood to keep it here. And then we have this chair, which again is from Amazon. I got it for like 2,000 rupees. Very nice, very bohemian. And then we have a fake plant, which I hate. It's such a pain. I don't buy and use fake plants anymore. This is just something that I have from like a few years ago, so I've kept it. And then a basket which is coming soon on Simba Lifestyle. And also यहाँ पे this is a pillow cover. Actual में ये ऐसा लगता है, ये अगली सा सीट आता है उसके साथ, which you can of course cover, and I've used a pillow cover to cover it because aesthetics. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do let me know what you think about my closet, my walk-in closet, in the comments down below. And I think that's all I really have to say. I will try and link everything that I've mentioned in today's video in the description box below. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion Apparels, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.
Achal, I'm Aditya.
ये इतना मत लेना.
Obviously, मोनिका का गंदा क्लोजेट देखो. सीक्रेट. देखो सब कचरा.
चला.
Adika, I'm exposing you.